Wagwan, me there again, my people. Manners, big up, and respect to each and everyone, you see? Alright, so my people, first up, I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show some things that happened because of a confrontation between at least two persons at a business establishment viewers and subscribers. See? One of those persons is said to be a customer, and one of those persons is said to be someone at the business place or the business establishment. Based on the amount of persons when we hear talk and say certain words in the video, some people might consider the confrontation to be between several persons. As I say, but based on some words that have been said in the video, I think that at least one person was not satisfied with customer service at a business place during subscribers. You know, for you to get a better understanding, I want you to look and listen to the video for yourself. Now, please bear in mind, the situation become, as well some people might say, a bit of an excitement, you know, due to certain things that have been said and certain things that happen. Anyways, viewer discretion is advised for this video. Look, listen, and observe, and tell me what you think about a situation like this. You can tell me what would you do if you find yourself in a situation like this. All right? Look, listen, and observe.
Yeah, man, I'm a wife. I'm a wife. You love each other. You tell me nothing. You don't tell me nothing what to do. You, nobody can tell me what to do.
No, man, let you go, man. Let you go now. First time is not for me, man.
That's what you don't want to Chinese people. They're not going to give a shit more than now.
Just stay right here. Stay right here. Don't go away. Don't go away. Just stay right here. Put that finger to here. Right now.
Watch out.
I'm going to sue you for that too.
Look. Listen.
No, but I don't do anything. Why is it illegal? Why is it illegal? No, persons, not that girl. Where's the here?
Who give back money?
Who give him a key change? Who give him a key change? Where is stand up in your steel?
Come down here because there's a big scene happening and the man is videoing me right now. I need you to get all the police and come over here and deal with this matter. But I don't know anything. I don't know anything.
Hey, why not do?
Call police go.
Oh, call police go. Call police power. Hey, let me tell all the people that will receive them. All the guys are here, sister. Not get power, not police power. What is the man? Give all the people that are here, come on. The bright are here, sister. The bright side.
Hey, brother, move.
On the bright side.
Brother.
Oh.
Let me call it the bag. Let me call
Hold
it the bag.
on. Try it.
Listen.
Two broom. My wife, I'm a wife, man, going to go buy two broom, two separate receipts. Then come out there the first time, then show them the receipt. The security come back again the second time. Come knock my window. So as soon as they done chop from market, they come. So I tell them, chop out them two broom then. As if I saw them up here for $260. Chop out the two broom them. The two receipt them in there. Then in there they make nice. But they want to lock up place with people. Them bright and hot about and feisty. That's what happened to you.
Me know me a broom more than one time in other video than my people. And in my point of view, well, me say at least one person did resist from being locked up inside of that place. You know, not really a funny thing though, you know, because me tell you something. Just when it comes down to customer service, you know, don't get me wrong, you know, you have some customers that might give trouble or support, but you have some places where them customer service is not, what I call it now, what some people call it, up to scratch, you know, and them things that can be a turn off to people where intend to support the business or be a customer to the business or support, all them things there. But my people, I like to tell you when you think about that situation, you see? Me see a video on social media that shows a person who a lot of people on social media consider that person to be mentally ill. You see me? Based on how the person did a walk in the street with all kind of clothes and so forth. But the video that I saw shows the person looking good. That's in my point of view. So, I see some comments on social media and I see posts on social media as well that gave me the understanding that there are quite a number of persons on social media comparing that video that shows the person with at least one other video that shows the same person. So in my point of view, the person looked good in the video that I saw of the person. You see me, I say, I'm not gonna be real. I never seen that video there before. But there are other videos that make me pray that the person get help. Look, life set a way where anyone can find themselves in a situation where time get hard or certain things. So me I say, so me not there as a judge. See, so the main thing I talk about is that me see a video that shows the person looking good, and I like the way the person looking at that video. You see? Yeah, I like the way the person looking at that video there. Alright? Oh, before me present a video to you, I want to take a look at this picture right here. As a good while I see this picture on social media, and I say to myself, say, but wait. And who bake that? In my point of view, that did not bake properly, you know, that not come out properly. Something happened or something go wrong. When I go to school, if me ever bake something like that and give my teacher, I get a very low grade for that. Like a very low mark. Fail. Me I wonder if the person, they have something on the mind. And one of the reasons why I'm talking about the picture is because the picture is being talked about on social media for some reason during subscribers. So I say, but people, would like you to tell me what to think about the picture. Would I like you to tell me what that thing look like to you. You can tell me if it look like a chocolate cake or what, you see? And you can tell me if you find any fault at all with the thing that you can see in the picture. Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of the video. In the next video I'm going to present to you, a person said some words that gave me the understanding that the person talked about someone. And in my point of view, the person was showing an emotion, or showing certain emotion while saying certain words viewing subscribers. You see me? I think it would be best if you look at the video for yourself and try to get an understanding as to who the person was talking about. And in my point of view, the person said some words that I think are really sad. You see? Yeah, I think so. Alright? Anyway, my people, so please bear in mind that you can hear harsh language in this video, so viewer discretion is advised for this video. Observe.
Youth, you're some man wicked youth. You, me know you hate me about Pitney, you dirty stinking Perry. Me know you hate him. You do come here and me baby for me. Come here and me baby for me, and the man come fight me a while ago the baby for me, youth. All him a fight me a while ago, juke me now, try to juke on me blood. The baby in front of him, not care feeling and lick him or nothing. Yeah, him. Come fight me on the side of the Pitney for me, youth. You want people who are hurt because you feel in the other one when you have out there. And I can't tell me in front of everybody youth out of beach. I can't talk about my father me after me tell you what happened to me time me I look up Pitney youth. Me say I'm sorry did I tell you when that happened to me youth. And then I go start talking in front of everybody. Everybody. When people don't like people, when people don't get along with people, you be paradise people because I'm one father youth. It's alright. And I'm my first little girl you happen to, yeah? And I'm my first one you happen to. It's alright, Perry. Whatever you want to do, my youth. Whatever you want to do. Do whatever you want to do, youth. Me say, me tell us I'm done, me done. That to see you can't see the baby again, right? Then I go get restraining order. Me or him. I serious to God. If you see how I really come cover, look how me strap on with the baby strap on for me, and the man come in front of me. With the baby right here, so you would. Want to try fight me and I come embarrass me in front of the whole beach out there, and tell me in front of the whole beach. In front of people, youth. So my father me. And my father different kind of thing, youth. I don't even know youth. Just because we go out there, youth. I mean, I tell him, say, if he could have said he put it in cup for me, look at 3-year-old son. Make him get like a breakfast for eat. Because I feel same pity they come down one day and make me use my gas and 3-4 times a day I cook food, give them me a try to help them out. And done me gas and the man get him pay and don't buy back me gas youth. I mean I don't gas, me have food but me can't cook, I mean I don't gas youth. And this man has tell me out just because me ask him to send the pity then come for my little baby. Because my little baby love go play with them. They not come for him today. They not look for him today. But it's alright.
John know my people. John know. I tell you. Life set away, no man. Life set away. See, some people go through some hard situations in their life. See, some of them are not for them fault, make them go through certain hard situations in their life. Me I tell them people. See, and when you see people go through certain things in their life, worse, I not for them fault, you know. I know something where if it use against them. You see me, I say you should have tried for, you know, talk to them and encourage them in a way where them can feel better about themselves and uplift themselves. I mean, I tell you, tough. Sad for you certain things where, you know, some people go through in their life. You see me, I say, wish nothing but the best for each and every one. You see me, I say, big up to each and every one. Yeah, so I left it to my people. So big up and respect. And until next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Let me know what you think about those videos that I presented to you.